job already? We have. We do not want it to remain winter forever. This gentleman, Mr. Patton, has been a judge from Chicago and has come here many years to judge the cats. So we are going to knight him this afternoon as an honorary follower of the St. Paul Winter Carnival. Are you ready, sir? What does one do before a king? We have no pillows. What's up? That's the other side. They have pillows. They have heated buses with the water to keep it cold. This is the symbol of my authority. I, Vulcanus Rex, the 75th, true king of St. Paul Winter Carnival, with this sword crafted from the soot and hewn in the fire and brimstone of Mount Vulcanus, do ask you, do you solemnly swear your allegiance to Vulcanus Rex and his fiery 2012 crew? If so, answer, I do. I don't think you're friendly. Do you hear him? I do. And do you promise to help this apocalyptic crew of 2012 bring back the warmth of good old St. Paul? I do.